Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're in the BMW 130i today and we're going to be doing a 0 to 60 miles per hour. So this car is pretty much standard. I've only done a few minor modifications. We have a K&N air filter and a Mishimoto intake boot. Whether or not they're going to make any difference at all, I don't know. But as long as we can get around the stock factory figures, which I believe it's around 6 seconds 0 to 60, as long as we can get somewhere around that, then I will be happy. It's a relatively nice day. It's not too warm, but the roads are dry. We have Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres on, so we'll see how they hold up when we do a launch. But yeah, I'm not really expecting anything too dramatic. I'm already impressed with the power of this car. It's definitely more than enough for the road. It's such a fun car to drive. But I guess the purpose of doing this 0 to 60 is really just to see if the engine is producing the power that it should be. It's kind of a good indicator. You know, obviously apart from doing going on the dyno, it's kind of a good indicator to see if it is producing the power that it should, which is 265 brake horsepower. So yeah, I guess stay tuned. Okay then, so that is the 0 to 60 miles per hour on the BMW 130i. To be honest, I have no idea how I done. I've probably done 4 or 5 launches, a few of them more successful than others. I tried it with both traction control on and off. So when I tried it with traction control on, it felt pretty quick, to be honest. Then I turned it fully off. And yeah, we got a lot of wheel spinning, which I was pretty surprised with. We do have some Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres on, and yeah, it was still like spinning like crazy. I think we desperately need an LSD on this thing to launch it properly. I noticed like we was pretty much going sideways on one of the launches with traction fully off. So yeah, we could definitely benefit from a limited slip differential. But yeah, I'm gonna guess that we got around the 6 second mark. Obviously you guys will already know by now, but yeah, I'm relatively happy with it. I think we are pushing around the 265 brake horsepower. I don't think we're too much down on power, but I may or may not put this thing on a dyno in the future. We'll just have to wait and see, I suppose. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!